So now I'm going to demonstrate the Augma Bond Apatite synthetic material to you. So it's applied in a syringe. There's powder at this end of the syringe and a liquid at this part of the syringe. Halfway along the syringe there's a little blue line. The technique is to compress the plunger so that the liquid is mixed in with the powder, and you compress the plunger until it reaches the blue line. Then you remove the end of the cap, dispense it into the socket. It's still wet at that point, and then you take a dry gauze, press on the surface of the powder liquid mixture, and it will set hard. There's no need to use a membrane, so you can then close the soft tissues over the top and suture them in place. So now let me show you in reality how this works. So compress the plunger so that the liquid is mixed in with the powder. It takes some time to actually get it to completely mix in. Once it's completely mixed in, you can then take the cap off, dispense the Bond Apatite into the socket. Incidentally, this is the same sort of technique that you would get with MP3, where you can dispense the MP3 straight into the socket. Then you would shape the material to the shape that you want it to be. Take a dry gauze, press it on, and that completes the setting process. So that's Bond Apatite from Augma.